So let's take a look at how we can make use of the wavetable mode in the new Kontakt 6. I'm going to load in a blank new instrument by double-clicking. Let's open it up. And in the source module, you will see where it's set to DFT right now. I can click and change it to wavetable mode. Now, before doing that, let's go into the mapping editor and load in a wavetable. I have some taken from Serum. So let's load in this Crush Wub wavetable in. I'll spread it across the entire keyboard range. And now if we play this, we're in DFT mode right now. We're just playing it back as a regular sample. You'll also notice that it doesn't sustain the sample. But that's not what I want to do. I want to use the wavetable mode. So now when I hold a note, you can hear it's looping back one cycle within the wavetable. We have a wavetable position dial, just like in Native Instruments Massive. So with this, we can select different cycles from that wavetable. There's some other controls on the right here. Let's try them out. We'll try this form dial first. You notice it doesn't really do anything because this dial relies on one of the different modes you select in this drop-down menu. So let's pick, let's say, Sync 2. And now you hear that sync effect applied to the wavetable. Let's try another one. Bend plus. Not bad. Bend minus plus. Some of these should be familiar from Massive and also from Serum. Now what if you want to modulate some of these controls? Let's go into the modulation tab here and add a new modulator. I'll load in an envelope. Let's assign it to position. Let's increase the amount to 100%. I'll click over here to scroll down to the actual envelope and let's shape this a bit. All right, let's now go ahead and try it out. So now that envelope is modulating the position dial. Let's add another one. Let's just use the same one and use it to modulate the form dial. I'll set the dial at a low value so it gets a nice wide range. Or I can set it to the highest and invert the modulation so it works backwards. We can scale it further, make it more exponential, add additional breakpoints. So even though we're using the same envelope to modulate two separate controls, the resulting shape for the second one, the one that's affecting form, is going to be different from the one that's affecting position. Let's try out some of the different modes here. Now we haven't seen the new Massive X yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if we've seen the same lists in Massive X. I like that we have pulse width modulation here now, so it's not restricted just to a pulse shape. It can be applied to any shape. So that's the wavetable module in Native Instruments Kontakt 6.